we're gonna do this one more another again. Can't figure this phone out. Y'all know about the table I built the other day. Well, we finished it. We put a clear on it, some stain on the benches. It was a new stain I tried. It was espresso and just clear coat on the top. They ordered two benches and the table. Bam, there it is. I love the look of it. Hope they do. They ain't text me back yet. They got 3 coats of clear. They shine. I didn't want to get too much on there. Still got some character of the wood, but I'm liking it. If they don't like it, they can leave it here. I doubt that. That's how our island would be finished, with the two benches. That espresso stain turned out a lot better than I thought it was. I'd run out of the stuff I had been using, which was a dark walnut, and I picked that one up just trying it, and I like it. I think I'm gonna try it again.